Now, let's go into our Whissel widget of the week. This is something that we use in our business, in our lives, that saves us time, makes us money, helps us have more fun, or maybe helps us get centered and focus on good energy.
Yeah. So I'm going to switch it up a little bit, and I'll give you a meditation app.
She's going to be like, and get Monster Energy drink. Go. Not sponsored by Monster either.
Please don't drink that. No.
We won't be sponsored by Monster.
So my favorite meditation app is Insight Timer. It's free, and it's got sleep meditations, music, all kinds of different things. You could just put on a timer. You could do a guided meditation if it's really hard for you to be there on your own. So that's my favorite. I listen to it every morning.
I love it. Mine is really lame in comparison. So we're doing a lot more community events with our office here in La Mesa. We're literally on the main strip. They have farmers market on Fridays right in front. They have car shows every Thursday. It's a very popular place. And then we're also connecting with the community in different street fairs and that sort of stuff. My widget is actually a way that we have started using to get much more visibility, to get people to come by and to get people to say, hey, I want that too. And these are, drum roll, these are balloons with our logo on it. Katy's like, this is dumb. But we've looked at this for a while. We got balloons with our logo. We got like 1,000 of them for a couple $100.
Are they all orange?
They're orange. They say Whissel Realty on it. We get some helium tanks from Party City. We looked about buying our own helium tank, and it was way more expensive because it was full helium and whatever. We're getting cheap helium. I don't care. But getting this is a phenomenal way. You give it to the kids. They're walking down the street. Everyone sees it. I don't know if you have kids. My kids love balloons. It's incredibly annoying. But if you want people to come see your booth, stop by and talk to you, and the fact that you got to fill it up and tie it off and take a minute and have a conversation, I don't hate that either. So whether you get balloons with your logo on them or just your colors, I'm a big fan of balloons, and we're pushing hard on that right now.
I think it's a great idea.
Thank you, Katy. She's so nice. She's like,
I'm not going
to crush your energy. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's episode of the Whissel Way Podcast. We'll see you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.